Hi everyone. Ang topic natin today ay division of three fractions. Okay, so lahat ng mga mixed number kailangan natin gawing improper fraction. Tara, simulan natin. 1 and 1/3, 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. Divided by 6 times 3 is 18 plus 2 is 20. Divided by 9/11. Next is, kailangan na natin i-apply yung keep, change, and flip. Okay? Keep natin yung first fraction, magiging 4/3. Divide, magiging change, multiplication, then flip, 3/20. Change, multiply, flip, 11/9. Okay? And then check for any cancellation. Si 4, pwede makancel kay 20, pero hindi pwede makancel kay 9. So, cancel natin si 4 and 20. Si 4 magiging 1, kasi di-divide natin sa 4. Si 20 magiging 5, kasi pwede rin natin i-divide sa 4. Si 3 and 3, cancel. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Si 5 na natira dito, hindi mo naman pwede i-cancel kay 11, kaya proceed na tayo sa pagmumultiply. 1 times 1 times 11 is 11. Over 1 times 5 is 5. Times 9 is 45. So the answer here is 11/45. Next question. Lahat ng mixed number gawing improper. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. Divide. 2/7. Divide 7, gawin natin 7/1. Next is, apply na natin yung keep, change, and flip. Keep si first fraction, 5/4. Change from division to multiplication, then flip, 7/2. Change again, then flip, 1/7. Next is, check for any cancellation. Si 5, hindi pwede makancel kay 2, hindi rin siya pwede makancel kay 7. Si 4, hindi siya pwede makancel kay 7, hindi rin kay 1. Proceed tayo dito sa next fraction. Si 7, pwede makancel kay 7, so cross out natin. 7 divided by 7 is 1. This is also 1. Si 2, hindi naman pwede makancel kay 1. Okay? So, wala na tayong pwede i-cancel. Proceed na tayo sa multiplication. 5 times 1 is 5. Times 1 is 5. Over 4 times 2 is 8. Times 1 is 8. The final answer is 5/8. Next, change natin lahat ng mga improper, ng mga mixed number into improper. 3 times 3 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. Divided by 2 times 4 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. Divided by 5/6. Now, na-change natin lahat. Gamitin na natin yung KCF. Keep natin yung unang fraction, 10/3. Change from division, make it multiplication, then flip, 2/9. Change the division, make it multiplication, then flip, 6/5. Then after that, check for any cancellation. Si 10, hindi pwede makancel kay 9, pero pwede siya makancel kay 5. Pareho silang divisible by 5. So, divide natin si 10, magiging 2. Divide natin si 5, magiging 1. Si 3, hindi pwede makancel kay 2, pero pwede siya makancel kay 6. Pareho silang divisible by 6. So, si 3 here, magiging 1. At si 6 here, magiging 2. Si 2, wala ka na makakancel kay 1 at kay 5. Si 9, hindi mo naman pwede i-cancel dito kay 2 at kay 2 din dito. So, proceed ka na sa multiplication. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, over 1 times 9 is 9, times 1 is 9. So, our final answer is 8 over 9. Last question. Changing it into improper fraction, 12 times 1 is 12, plus 1 is 13, over 12, divided by 4 over 11, divided by 6 times 2 is 12, plus 1 is 13, over 6. Now, na-change natin lahat. Apply na natin yung KCF. Keep the first fraction, 13 over 12. Change division to multiplication, then flip, 11 over 4. Change the division to multiplication, then flip, 6 over 13. Then after that, check for any cancellation again. Si 13 dito, hindi pwede i-cancel kay 4, pero pwede mo siya i-cancel kay 13. Pareho silang 13, so magiging 1 yan, magiging 1 din ito. Si 12, hindi mo pwede i-cancel kay 11, pero pwede mo i-cancel kay 6. Pareho silang divisible by 6. Si 12 dinivide sa 6, magiging 2. Si 6 dinivide sa 6, magiging 1. Then si 11, hindi mo naman pwede ma-cancel kay 2 at kay 1. Si 4, hindi mo naman makakancel kay 1 at kay 1 dito. So, proceed ka na sa multiplication. 1 times 11 is 11, times 1 is 11, over 2 times 4 is 8, times 1 is 8. Ngayon, naka-improper fraction yung ating final answer. So, gagawin natin siyang mixed number. 11 divided by 8 is 1. Kopyahin mo yung denominator. 8 times 1 is 8. Ilan pa yung kulang para maging 11? 3. So, ang final answer natin ay 1 and 3 over 8. I hope naintindihan mo yung lesson. Salamat sa pakikinig.